Union is one of the most slept on credit unions out there, equally as good as Navy Federal. If you want high limit funding, watch this. Now, PenFed, you do not need a referral link or you do not need to be in the military or any of that to join. What you want to do is you want to take advantage of their Union Share loan hack. So, first step, open a Fed checking account. The number's up there. Add $250 to the account. Wait 30 days and open a share loan, which is basically a secured loan with the $250. You're going to pay it off in 6 months with payments of $41 a month. The APR is really, really low, 2.05%, which is essentially nothing. And you're going to build credit and a relationship with PenFed to access their high limit funding. They're equally as good as Navy Fed, so run.
If you try and build your credit, scratch that. Don't listen to that. If you're trying to build your credit, I would honestly just do a secured credit card with them. A lot easier. It's something that'll never stop because when it comes to your credit, having always a loan reporting is how you're going to go ahead and increase your credit score. So by having that and then having on-time payment history, you'll start seeing your credit score increase. No shade, just wanted to sprinkle a little bit more education, just because wasn't really much said of who this is for. Is this for someone that's barely starting on for credit? But follow me for more credit tips and advice.